the nature of the virtues. I always wanted to hit the way we have now with the far might be able to get to that, even with the relatively coherent distance of thought, which I have to get to too many different incompatible consecutive virtues. But then to be able to unity the concept into history, Homer, topically, Aristotle in New Testament, or medieval thinker, differ from them too many different ways. They offer the virtues. They give different rank on the person to the virtues. And they had different incompatibility with the virtue. If we were to consider later what the virtue, the different incompatibility is not different with the we think the Japanese thing or American Indian culture. The difference will become great deal. It would be also easy to conclude that there were a number of viable alternative concepted alternatives, but it was a way to do it with I believe no technical conception. The case for this conclusion can be to talk about then by beginning the consideration of different items, different authors, in different time and places, including the catalog virtue. Some of these works at home outside of the New Testament. I all know it's greatness neck. Let me make some repetition. Call back and make some of the key beat the for the comparison the catalog to what the way visible frequency they are the first example is the Homer. I'm done with this.